Hello guys. In last videos we have learned how we can populate a horizontal list, a vertical list and a grid in a RecyclerView using Kotlin. So in this video we will pass our own custom data class to our adapter. So let's get started. My name is Asad Ali and I am a professional software engineer having experience in mobile apps development. In this video series we will discuss solutions to the common problems a mobile developer have to face. So please subscribe my channel so that you should get updates of my latest videos. Okay. So here I have same adapter, my activity, everything is same what we have done in the last videos. Now just create a new data class, Kotlin user model, change its type to data class, and then here we can pass title, string, name of type string. That's it. We don't need for these bases. Okay. I will also modify my list item because for now we are only showing one text view. So I will just copy it to show the second text view. For that, just change it to TV name, for example. Okay, this time I will populate it in vertical list. For that, I am changing its width to match parent. Match parent here as well. Okay, that's it. Now we need to modify our custom adapter. You can see here the type of the list is string. So instead of string this time I will convert it to my own class object, that is user model. Okay. Well, so here we were assigning directly that list object to a text, but this time we have to get its property, title, and here I need to declare my second text view, TV name. For that, just initialize it, TV name, TV name. Here we will set the text of this new text view, text is equal to list subposition dot name. Okay, so now we also need to modify our main activity code. Here you can see the error because previously we were passing the string array, but this time we have to pass the array list of our user model type. So we'll change it, user model. Okay, so here we need to pass in some other way. Okay, I will also remove this loop this time. I will only populate the few items. For example, data dot add user model, title user1, and name John. Let's populate the 3 items this time. 2, 3, Peter, Ali. That's it. Okay, in previous video we had grid layout manager, but this time I will change it to simple linear layout manager to show a vertical list. So it takes only one parameter as context. That's it. So let's run this code. It should work. That's it. Okay, so here you can see the three items are populated vertically. The first title is shown, user1, and the name John, user2 name Peter, user3 name Ali. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Please subscribe my channel to get updates of my latest videos. Thank you.